Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create dual apps in Realme 8i. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create dual apps in Realme 8i. So friends, at first you have to go to the settings and then you have to scroll down to app management. So this is app management. You just need to tap on it and then you will find an option here, app cloner. Here you have to tap on and then you will see here all the supported apps that you can use for dual apps. You will see these are the apps that's showing here for you can use these apps for dual apps. So friends, these are the apps that you can use for dual apps in Realme 8i. So friends, let's create dual apps for PhonePe. Now we have to tap on this icon, create app clone. So it is creating app clone. See, the app is created. Now just go to the see this is the PhonePe is cloned. Now we can set up a new account here. I am showing the previous. See, here is also PhonePe. This is the PhonePe. And now this is the clone app. So friends, in this way you can create dual apps in Realme 8i. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.